Hey, welcome. In this section, we are gonna build the London screen and also we are gonna be able to retrieve our current logged in vendor. And basically, the London vendor will just contain maybe the name of the vendor, the store image, and a test, which is going to say your application has been sent to shop admin, and there'll be a button for that vendor to choose to sign out. Okay, this is what we are going to be doing in this section. Okay, and within the views directory, we can create a new folder. And the reason for this is to make our code much more cleaner, and understandable by other coders. Within this views folder or directory, we can create a new folder and we can call this screens. And now within this screens folder, we can then create a new file and we can call this landing underscore screen. Then the extension is dot. And now we can create a stateless widget, landing screen. And over here, we need to highlight and use Ctrl and dot in order to import the material to that package. And in order to have access to a lot of property Flutter has, we can then return a scaffold widget. And within the scaffold, it has a property known as body. And for now, this is going to be a center widget to basically center the next widget we want to have. And within the center widget, it has a property known as child. And for now, this is going to be a test widget, which is just going to say landing screen. Great. And now what we have to do is to go to the vendor auth screen. And instead of this vendor registration screen, we want to go to the London screen. Okay. And in the future, within the London screen, within the London screen, we are going to have a check to know if that vendor has been approved or not. If they have been approved, they're going to be sent to this page, and if they're not approved, they're going to be sent to this page. Okay, you're going to see this fully in the future. And what we have to do now is to auto start. And like I said, in the future, if the vendor is approved by the admin, then only they will be sent to the 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 home screen, right? Do not worry, in the future we're gonna have that check over here. And let's go check this out. And this should be the okay, you can see now landing screen. Okay.